So now let's see how we can separate out time values inside of Google Sheets. So over here, I'm going to type in a time. So let's say, for example, I'm going to type in 3 right here, colon 02 right here, colon, and then 56. That is going to be the second. And I'm going to type PM and enter. And now it is a time, as you can see. So now I want to divide it according to second, minute, and hour. So in order to do that, I can simply press equals on my keyboard. And if I want to get the second, then I can simply type in second right here and then select the reference cell, close this and enter, and there you go. You just got the second out of that value. You can do the same over here as well. So I'm going to press equals, and let's say I want hour this time, and select this, close the bracket right here, and there you go. Now you got the hour, that is 15. That is because its PM value is 15 right here. I can go around right here again, and then I can press, let's say for example, that's the hour. So I'm going to go around, type in minute right here. So this is going to be minute, and then select this, close this, and there you go. You got 2. So this is the hour. So let's just keep it over here. And then this is the minute, Control X, paste it, Control X and paste it. And then this is what you will have. So if I were to go around right here and then change out the values. So if I were to press 4 right here, and then I'm going to press 12 right here and 57, what will happen is that the values there will automatically change, as you can see. And that is how you can separate out time values inside of Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.